What's going on, guys? Brian Quick here, eXp real estate agent and top producing agent here in Charlotte, North Carolina, Mooresville, and Lake Norman. But today is going to be a quick video on my new kicks, the Air Force Ones 07, Nike Air Force One 07. I just got these about 2 days ago, and I've worn them one time, and kind of want to give you my thoughts and my review on this. Like I said, I'm going to start doing more reviews on things that I buy and then I enjoy to buy, to kind of give also just a little bit different of a perspective of things that I enjoy versus just real estate. So guys, these things are freaking legendary. Okay, I was talking to my wife the other day about it. I was like, man, I remember when I got my when I wanted to get my first pair of Air Force Ones when they came out. And it was something that, when they first came out, I was in like 5th grade. I think somewhere, well, actually they came out back in like 82, maybe even earlier. But like when Nelly's song came out in 5th grade, Air Force One, that's kind of when they kicked out for me. And so, this is the B-Ball OG. And they put a fresh spin on this one. And so here's the thing. You got these beautiful stitched overlays here. I don't know if you can see that here. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, video. These beautiful stitched overlays right here on the upper. That gives it this really cool heritage style, but also gives it a good sense of durability. I mean, I'm really trying to squeeze this shoe, and it's really tight right now. And so it's super, super, super durable, okay? Now, this originally was designed for performance hoops. You see, the Nike Air cushioning adds a lightweight to it, to that way you can have all-day comfort. Okay, now the low-cut silhouette adds a clean and streamlined look. I would agree with that. What do you guys think? Let me know down below with that. And then the padded collar feels soft and comfortable. This I can attest for. It definitely feels soft and comfortable. So the midsole is foam. The midsole is foam here, okay, and the perforations on the toe. So we got these little perforations right here. These right here help it keep for airflow coming in through the shoe to keep your feet cool. Also, I think it just gives it a really cool look. And then the bottom here is a rubber sole. Like I said on my last review, I'm not a shoe expert or anything like that. I just love shoes, and it's something that I'm starting to build my collection on. And so I really just wanted to get on here and see what your guys' thoughts are if you own a pair of the Nike Air Force Ones 07. Let me know down below your thoughts if you have a pair and what your thoughts are on those pairs. If you've worn them a lot, how do you like them for longevity? And if you haven't had a pair but you want a pair, why do you want a pair of these? And which kind of color do you want? So, let me know down below your thoughts on the shoes. And if you don't mind also, whether you're here for real estate or whether you're here for shoes, give me a like on this video and give me a follow or a subscribe. That would be great. You guys have a great rest of your week. See you later.